Proper maintenance is important to ensure the longevity of your Encore washer. First, we'll go over the steps of how to clean your drain pump filter. Remove the front panel. Remove the filter hose plug and let any excess water drain into a container. Return the filter hose and replace the filter hose plug. To remove the drain pump filter, turn counterclockwise. Long cycle times and extreme machine vibration are symptoms of a clogged filter. Clean the filter with water and remove lint or any other debris. Place the filter back into its assembly by turning clockwise. If your part is in poor condition, consult the Laundrylux online shop to find the replacement you need. For more information, visit shop.laundrylux.com. Now, we'll show you how to properly clean the drum. Proper maintenance of your machine ensures customer satisfaction and keeps your product clean and sanitized. First, be sure to wipe down any high-touch, high-contact surfaces of the machine. Using a wet microfiber cloth, carefully wipe the inside of the drum. Avoid using harsh cleaners or chemicals. They can leave behind unwanted odors or residues. You can use gentle disinfectants or household cleaning products to clean the exterior of the drum. For more information on how to properly sanitize the washer's drum, refer to your user manual or reach out to one of our laundry experts.